This is the conversion rate before we Ecomclips investigate the account. The conversion is very poor here, but everything was good. His product, his listing, top notch. The price, very competitive, but still no sales. Now, after one simple change we did, conversion rate increased like crazy. So, the question is, what we Ecomclips just changed? The visuals. The entire listing visuals, like the main image, brand story, and the A plus content. So, if you're struggling with sales, even though your product, price, and the listing is top notch, check out your listing A plus content twice. This might be the reason you are losing sales. Here's something most sellers don't realize. So, here's the thing. When shoppers click on their listing, they don't usually go straight for your title or bullet point for details. Like those texts are for only SEO purpose. They don't really influence shoppers' decision. But here's what really catch their attention. Your A plus content. If your A plus content can talk to shoppers, you will not get any conversions. Here's what you should do. First of all, always add brand story. It helps shoppers to understand who you are, what you stand for, and why they should trust you. Take this example. Notice how they use visuals to highlight key benefits, build credibility with their brand messaging, make it easy to understand what the product does. This is exactly how brand story should work. Not just showing the product, but telling the story behind it. And yes, you need to be eligible for the brand story. But simple. Just join the brand registry and have a registered trademark. Once you get it, the option shows up like this. Just click create and build your own brand story. I'll suggest to keep it visuals and easy to read. Share your missions or values. Show what makes your brand different. Use real photos or behind the scene shots. Alright, the first module you should focus on highlighting your product here, like this one. The product is nicely visible with the brand logo. By the way, you can also add lifestyle image here, like this one. And you can see this, the premium A plus content. You can use both basic and premium. Basic and premium, both are okay. If you can create a strategic design, you can increase your conversion rate. But in my opinion, premium A plus content is the best. You can get some extra benefit from there. Like you can add videos, image carousels, and interactive hover hotspot. If I show you the difference from the Seller Central, in the basic, you can see only one comparison chart option and all these are image modules with text. So you can only add images here. Your options are limited in basic A plus. Still, you can be creative and get more conversions. And by the way, you can utilize 7 modules. So I'll be suggesting you to utilize them all. The first module should highlight your brand and logo. Next, you can add lifestyle images featuring your product in real life situation. Use infographic to clearly show the key benefits of your product. You can also add testimonials or trust badges, like this example. And the most important thing is add a product comparison chart. It makes it easier for the customers to choose by laying out features, price, and specs side by side. This builds trust, highlights what makes each product unique, and helps shoppers feel more confident in their decisions. Make sure to use colors that match your brands and avoid filling the images with too much text. Remember, images are for people. If shoppers have to read a lot of text inside an image, it loses impact. So, keep it light on text. Use videos that speak instantly, even at a glance. Clear, simple, and visually appealing always works best. Okay, so these are the tips for basic A plus content. But if you are eligible for the premium A plus content, you should utilize this. Now, first, talk about how you can eligible for the premium A plus. Well, it's really simple. Your brand must be in the brand registry, have a brand story, and have 15 approved A plus content submission in the last 12 months. Alright, so what do you do in your premium plus content to boost your conversion rate? First, you should add banner images that focus on your brand and the product. just like in the basic A plus content. You know, the only difference in Premium A plus is the bigger image size. That means more space to show off every detail of your product, crystal clear and full screen. It's your chance to make a bold and fast impression. Image carousel like this one are great for keeping shoppers engaged. You can choose any styles of image carousel. Use it to highlight your product benefits, show trust badge, or include infographic style visuals. Another big advantage of Premium Plus content is that you can add videos. Videos are more engaging than images. You can show how the product looks and work in real life. This helps shoppers to understand your product better and get a clear idea before buying. Premium A Plus also allows you to add an interactive hover hotspot. This lets shoppers hover over the different parts of your product image and get a quick details, which increase engagement. Now, let's talk about the comparison chart. Whether you are using Basic or Premium A Plus, you should always include a product comparison chart. It helps shoppers easily see the difference between your products. Finally, Premium A Plus lets add you a Q&A section, and you should definitely use it. Just like this example here. It answers common questions and help remove doubt before purchase. Alright, let's be honest. Creating A plus content that actually works is not easy. It takes skill, strong design, and real storytelling experience. That's where Ecomclips comes in. We don't just create A plus content that looks good. We A/B test it, we optimize it, and we make it perform. With 15 years of experience and thousands of happy clients, we have helped brands earn Amazon Choice and bestseller badges again and again. Want the same results? Send us a mail at info@ecomclips.com. We'll do a free audit of your listing. Then, we'll help your product to stand out and shine like it should. Let your listing do the selling. Well, we'll do the building. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.